So, your question, where did the concept of coaching and mentoring originate? We use the word coaching, mentoring, guide, teaching. As far as I remember, long back, I think perhaps 1880, Oxford University used the word coaching, but they qualified that coaching with instruction, teaching, training. No doubt, history helps us to know that coaches and the mentors have always been present in the society for thousands of years. We understand in the labels, in the name of priest and religious preacher, shaman, even the elders used to guide us. So that is also a part of the coaching. Now see that these people were separated from so-called the coach. So in the history also, we use the word coach in weapon training, in sports, drama, even in the drama. Later, many people started seeking mentors, and the coaches, no, please guide me, help me to excel in my relationship or in my business or in my personal, professional, and social lives. So, in the Western history, it is not very clear when the mentoring and the coaching, as both the words are so common in the modern world, from where they came uh, in the Western culture. But now, if we compare coaching in Eastern wisdom, well, you use the word coach or you use the word mentor, it is more than 6,000 years old tradition, where this coaching is very common, and especially in India. So that is supported by more than 3,000 gurus. I'm using the word guru now. And every guru is teaching from the select text out of 3,000 texts. Why? Because that text is a revealed knowledge. Two things. First, guru word, we will understand that. And the second is that the moment you are guru, you are teaching from the text which has a revealed knowledge. So, first, let us understand that guru. We already know we have started using the word guru, but the fact is that the word guru means removing the ignorance and awakening the knowledge deep inside the person who is being mentored, who is being coached. So now how he does it, how the guru does it. So the guru can be known as a coach, as a mentor, as a guide in the Eastern West. First thing. Now that guru introduces the principles and the practices of Eastern wisdom. Okay. Then what is the goal? Goal is the self discovery one. removing all kinds of suffering too, and awakening to the highest truth, leading to happiness, love, wisdom, and truth. So, if we understand Guru is an integral coach, mentor, guide, then obviously the tradition of Eastern wisdom in coaching is the oldest tradition based on the validated and tested principles and practices to help accelerate the process of conscious evolution and transformation of aspiring students in personal, professional, social, and family lives. And it is a time tested principles and practices. Cannot be compared with any modern coaching as it includes, or you can say integrates, career coaching, relationship coaching, personal coaching, performance coaching, relationship coaching, business, add all the types of the coaching.